Very good morning all of you. So today we discuss about carbon nanotubes. Okay. So in previous lectures we discussed about the introduction of nanomaterials and soldier method for the preparation of metal oxide nanoparticles and chemical reduction method for the preparation of silver nanoparticles. So now coming to carbon nanotubes. Okay. So these carbon nanotubes are discovered by Ishima in 1991. It was discovered by Ishima in 1991. Okay. So these carbon nanotubes are long and thin cylinders, which are made up of carbon atoms, hexagonal rings, hexagonal carbon atoms like this, hexagonal carbon atoms with sp2 hybridization. Okay. So if you are taking, this is a graphene sheet. So if we roll this graphene sheet like this, okay, this is a graphene sheet. If we roll this graphene sheet like this, so now we get a carbon nanotube. Okay, see this. So this is a carbon nanotube. Okay, so with diameter 1 nanometer, 1 nanometer diameter, and the length is million times to its diameter. Okay, so this is the carbon nanotube with diameter 1 nanometer and length is million times to its diameter. Okay, so the hybridization in carbon nanotubes are sp2. Okay, so these are the hexagonal rings of carbons. So these carbon nanotubes are two types. Carbon nanotubes are two types. So first one is single wall carbon nanotubes, and second one is multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Okay, single wall carbon nanotubes and multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Okay, SCNT and MCNT, single wall carbon nanotubes and multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Okay, so now coming to single wall carbon nanotubes. Single wall carbon nanotubes. Single wall carbon nanotubes means when we are taking one graphene sheet, already we told that if we roll this graphene sheet like this, like a cylinder type. So now this is a single wall carbon nanotube. This is a single wall carbon nanotube with 1 nanometer diameter and million times, length is million times to its diameter. Okay. So now the types of single wall carbon nanotubes. There are three types of single wall carbon nanotubes. There are three types of single wall carbon nanotubes. Those are, first one, armchair, second one, zigzag, third one, curve. Armchair, zigzag, curve. So now listen carefully. So again we are taking graphene sheet, armchair carbon nanotubes. If you see like this, okay, if we roll the graphene sheet, see here, if they roll the graphene sheet like this, okay, so now see here, this structure seems like armchair. Okay, so these are two arms, this looks like chair, so this one armchair. Okay, structure looks like armchair. If we rotate the graphene sheet like this, then we get armchair structure. Okay, so arrangement is like this. Okay. So next one, zigzag. Zigzag. Zigzag means, so now look here. So this is zigzag arrangement. Zigzag. Okay. Zigzag. So if we roll the graphing sheet like this. Okay. Now we are getting zigzag arrangement. So see here, zigzag. Okay. So next one, chiral. Chiral means it doesn't having a regular arrangement, means either a armchair, not zigzag. Okay, it doesn't have regular arrangement like it doesn't armchair arrangement or zigzag arrangement. Okay, so then it is called chiral. It doesn't have a regular arrangement like zigzag or armchair. Okay, armchair, zigzag, chiral. So this is armchair, and if we take this arrangement, if we roll the sheet like this, so and it is called zigzag. Okay, chiral means it doesn't differ from both zigzag and armchair. Okay, so this is about single wall carbon nanotube. So now coming to multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Second one, multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Okay, so multi-wall carbon nanotubes means these are again two types. First one, Russian doll model, and the second one is parchment model. Parchment model, Russian doll model and parchment model. So now Russian doll model multi-wall carbon nanotube means, so the number of concentric cylinders which are arranged in itself, means if you are taking one single wall carbon nanotube, okay, so another single wall carbon nanotube which they concentric cylinders, okay, number of single wall carbon nanotubes are arranged in itself, then it is called multi-wall carbon nanotube. Okay, Russian doll model, number of concentric cylinders which are present in the single wall carbon nanotube. Okay, you can imagine that. So second one is parchment model. Parchment model, it looks like if you are taking a newspaper roll, when we are rolling a newspaper, it looks like this. So this one. So these are also carbon nanotubes, multi-wall carbon nanotubes. This model is parchment model. Okay, na? So this one is parchment model. If you are rolling a newspaper like this with a specific distance, okay, newspaper roll. So this is parchment model. Otherwise, a number of single wall carbon nanotubes which are placed in itself, then it is, this one is a carbon nanotube. So in this carbon nanotube, another one is placed like this. So this is multi-wall carbon nanotube with Russian doll model. With specific gap, number of, okay, looks like this. Okay, these are two types of multi-wall carbon nanotubes, Russian doll model and parchment model. Okay, so these carbon nanotubes, if you are taking a graphene sheet which roll into a cylindrical like type, okay, these carbon nanotubes having hexagonal rings with sp2 hybridization. So it is discovered by Izima in 1991. Okay, so these carbon nanotubes are having 1 nanometer diameter. Diameter is 1 nanometer, and length is million times to its diameter. Length is million times to its diameter. Okay, so these carbon nanotubes are two types: single wall carbon nanotubes and multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Single wall carbon nanotubes are again classified into three types. What are those? Armchair, zigzag, chiral. Okay. So multi-wall carbon nanotubes are again classified in two types: Russian dual model, Parchment model. Russian dual model, number of concentric cylinders are present in itself, and it is called Russian dual model. We are taking a graphene sheet which rolls like a newspaper, that is called Parchment model. Okay. Thank you.